Bro, you already know we out here, man, and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, we're gonna be straightening my hair, kind of sort of blowing it out. We're gonna get it straight as possible.
Bruh.
So first, let me tell you what I got. I got the heat protectant, because you're gonna be putting heat on your hair. You wanna protect, okay? Oh yeah, let's use some of that. So I'm just applying the heat protectant right now. I never actually straightened my hair before, like when it was longer. I straightened it when it was shorter.
Bruh.
It looked crazy. And then I'm gonna use the comb and just comb this out, you feel me? I just washed my hair, by the way.
Thank you guys for tuning into the video. I really appreciate that. But 80% of those watching are not subscribed. If you enjoy the video, just hit that subscribe button. Anything helps the channel. Thank you.
Ooh, it's going through nice. It's picked out right now. And next, what I want to do is use my blow dryer on the high heat setting while I'm combing it out, you feel me? I've seen a video of this girl doing it, and her hair looked pretty fire. So my hair is not used to being combed like this. I'm applying oil while I'm doing this, so you want to get the most slippage, you know?
So what I'm doing here is just holding on to a piece of my hair while I get the blow dryer and just blow dry it. All right, and after that, I just comb through it with the normal comb and then try to get as straight as possible.
All right, so I got a brush right here. Let's see if it will go through my hair.
So for this part of the video, I'm basically brushing my hair. And if you have curly hair, you know that you're not supposed to brush your hair because of the knots. The knots pretty much make your curls. But since I'm straightening it, it's pretty much recommended to get rid of all those knots. So that's what I'm going to be doing to every single part in my hair, because you can see there's many parts. And after doing that, I would then comb through to get rid of any excess knots. Also, if you're wondering, Marlon, why are you deciding to straighten your hair? Bruh, honestly, the day I decided to do this, I had like 3 assignments due that night, and I wasn't finished with any of them. And this was just my way of procrastinating. And I ended up finishing the assignments, so everything's good. So that's why I'm doing this. But back to the video. As you can see, I fully blow dried my hair and combed it out. But now we have a surprise guest. Yes, it's my sister. Today she's gonna be straightening my hair. And she's doing this because I do not trust myself with doing so. Well, would you look at that? We're almost done. But I gotta say, this process in itself took a very long time. I'm not gonna be doing this for a very long time again. One time is good enough. You know, it was a good experience to run my fingers through my hair for like the first time in my whole entire life, but it was good while it lasted. And also, the heat is not good for your hair, so you don't want to make this a normal thing.
Yo, that's gonna be the straightening hair video. Hey, let me know down in the comments if y'all mess with the look. Maybe I have to rock it more often, you feel me?
Bruh.
Alright, so I got a game for y'all. So this is a test to see who watched the video all the way to the end. You have to tell me which picture you mess with the most. The first one, the second one, the third one, or the fourth one. Let me know down in the comments what you pick, and the people that comment, they win a free car. All right, thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Have a great day.